7 healthiest foods that should be your breakfast every morning. 1. Eggs. Various studies have shown that eating eggs at breakfast increases feelings of fullness, reduces calorie intake at the next meal, and helps maintain steady blood sugar and insulin levels. Additionally, egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help prevent eye disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. Eggs are high in protein and several important nutrients and therefore are good for you. 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is made from ground oats, which contain a unique fiber called oat beta-glucan, which lowers cholesterol and increases feelings of fullness. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, which benefit heart health and decrease blood pressure. 3. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It contains caffeine, which improves alertness and mood, along with raising metabolic rate. It contains an antioxidant called EGCG, which benefits your brain and nervous system. 4. Fruits. All types of fruit contain vitamins, potassium, fiber, and are relatively low in calories. Fruit is also very filling due to its high fiber and water contents. It also contains antioxidants that can help reduce risk of various diseases. 5. Berries. Berries are high in fiber and low in calories. Popular types include blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. They're also rich in antioxidants that may decrease your risk of disease. 6. Nuts. Nuts have been shown to improve heart disease risk factors, reduce insulin resistance, and decrease inflammation. All types of nuts are also high in magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. Nuts are also beneficial for people with diabetes. 7. Protein shake. A protein shake or smoothie is a great high-protein breakfast choice that promotes fullness and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Several types of protein powder can be used, including whey, egg, and soy protein. Regardless of the type of protein powder used, a high-protein shake can be satisfying and filling. So these are the 7 healthiest foods that should be your breakfast every morning.